Threesome. Hi, I'm Adam C, and welcome to a dark Caffeine Machine. I am in my 350Z, which is a bit dirty, and we were at a meet earlier today, and we're heading off to Bristol for a BCCMUK meet, which should be a bit of a shutdown. So this is kind of the scene that we have at the moment, a lineup of 10 Mark V Supras, I think, and we're actually leaving that to go about an hour and a half kind of south-ish to get to Bristol and see what the evening will bring. So let's hop in the Z and see what we can see.
Let's see.
I might put the roof up.
I was going to ask, can we please have the roof up because I am very cold.
As much as I'm enjoying having the roof down now, it's sensible to put it up. Look at it working like it should. The Twingo's leaving, but he's going a different way. Look, there's a Series 1 Twingo. I love those cars. We need to be sensible and leave quietly-ish.
And here we find us in the natural habitat of Stratford-on-what?
I think it's like Stratford-upon-Avon or something like that.
Stratford-upon-Avon. We've got two wild defenders out here.
You can say they're defending their territory.
Yes. I don't know what to say about them. I just...
Keep an eye on them, they might mate. So we are now in Bristol, and we kind of joined some groups to get a location. I couldn't quite work out how to find out where it is. It was a bit confusing, so we just asked someone that was going. So we've got a location, we're just approaching it now, and we're going to be a little bit early, so that's always good. There's a gym, which is closed. There's a Sports Direct, which is closed. There's a TK Maxx, which is closed. But there's a car meet, which is open.
The gym looks open.
Oh yeah, the gym actually is open. Oh wow, look at the satin chrome turquoise Golf.
Oh no! It's the police!
Oh, I see. I thought there was something seriously up, but no, it's just a cutaway of a police officer.
Don't, careful, there's the police officers right there.
Okay, here we are, let's see. Oh, people are horny already. Oh, and whilst I remember, SD Fresh has given me a whole new batch of air fresheners. So all kinds of car-related memes, RX-7 and a Z. And SD Fresh has sponsored this video, providing you with 25% off your order using the code DSNUTS. So here is our newest and bestest of buds, this policeman officer guarding the car meet, which is already starting to do those pops and stuff. There's an ice cream van, and now up front is the satin chrome turquoise Golf. He's trying to grow a wing on the back of the car, you see. He's put the Red Bull can there. This gentleman's vehicle has 1 MHP, man horsepower. No, brakeman, B-men, 1 BMP. So there's a haze of diesel dust in the background. We've got the Lexus LS and a few more. And the night may be young, but the RAC has already been called. He's got a hammer. There's a recovery truck as well now. Things have turned, and now the turquoise Golf is drawing a crowd and setting off alarms. Oh, look, the predictable has happened. An E46. Well, there we go. He may have got lost and ended up at a dead end and had to turn around, and he just kept losing control. Oh look, a trolley has been moved. That is content, there's an accident. Oh, are we still lost? We need to turn around again. Almost. There we go, yeah, it's that direction. You can't go this way. So cars have been rolling in for the last several minutes, and now we have the absolute peak of the car scene, a smart car with multicoloured neons. He is making his best entrance into the show, and the 3 Series is still trying it. Maybe we should head back over, because there's a Volkswagen up doing some reverse donuts. Look who's rolling in now. Nice rap, mate.
Oh, his buddy's over there.
That was an overtake. I'm going to have to rub my eyes. It is. I didn't think it would be, but it is. It was questionable. We thought it might have been. Those were asking if it was, and it is. More arrivals are being made. Check out this pair of Vauxhalls with their intercoolers on display as people go, oh! on the way in. So what have we? Focus ST, that sounded like a Subaru's turbo behind the Corsa. Of course it was. Alright. And you'll also notice that this Astra is quite the sleeper, other than the giant intercooler on the front, because it is powered by Saab, so it's probably quite quick compared to its visual aesthetic, probably the same as the one next to it as well. The police came, saw, conquered and left. We now have an E92 M3 passing with a little lip on the back, just past the F80 M3 in yellow in the background. The diesels are causing a stir. I'm waiting for clouds. There they are. Yeah, sorry to everyone else. Let's walk away before we catch death. Oh, there's more diesels over there now. Diesels have really rocketed in popularity in the car show scene or car meet scene. Oh, I see. They went away to collect a friend and now they're back in more numbers. So revolutions were made down there. Now we have patrols. What are they actually doing though? They're just walking with their hands in their lapels.
Keep warm.
That Focus is revving and they're walking over to it in the darkness. I imagine they're about to say hello, hello, hello.
Look at the group of people follow.
Yeah, there's
It's
a
like ants.
hustle of people, and it's like ants. There's a Civic making an entrance, just you wait for this. The policeman officers might not like it though. Oh my days! Yeah, they were bigger than I thought, which is what she said. There's now a diesel 5 Series doing a squirrel. Oh, he's a jolly good fellow. There is a S14 making noises, turbo sounds. Oh, it's got a spoiler. Oh, there he goes. Well done. Oh, it's coming this way. The C63 Coupe's had enough. He's off. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. He's got a Santa hat on his car. Oh, so cars are leaving for some reason. I don't think there's a second location yet. The Lexus LS is doing a little departure as well. Well, there's 2 exits and I'm like, oh, go this way. Oh, look, the Lupo has matched his fuel cap to the wing, or maybe he's matched the wing to the fuel cap. There's a Jaguar with neons. There's so many police cars around. I've seen about 5. In fact, look, there's a little duo over there. Lose a bit of zoom. There you go. Chatting away like, oh yeah, this is getting out of hand. There's Golfs and Mercedes everywhere. And Volkswagen Ups with Christmas lights. Oh look, it's a threesome. There's 3 of them. Do we make that 4? I think he's unmarked. So we've noticed a bit of activity is happening, and that's just because there is a new location. I think these beeps are to tell everyone that they're going. Yeah, I think that's the code.
The unmarked guy.
Yeah.
He's got an earpiece and he started to panic when the cars are moving, so he's going to follow the cars.
Ah, yeah, V8s. Oh. Oh, right over there. It's like a proper scramble now. Everyone's rolling out at once. Obviously, the police are going to follow everyone to the next location. Oh, it's doing some external combustion. Look, it's gridlocking the whole car park now. I was wondering why the tyres were smoking. The handbrake was on. More horns are being played now, and revolutions are being made now. Got the hella spotlight covers on the Golf. It's Adam C. Oh look, the police have put on the blues to everyone's delight. Oh, the number plate is "'Cause I Pop." Take a look at that. He's not even popping though. The chaps in the police cars were laughing and smiling. They're enjoying it. They're part of the meet, as we know. They've got the Focus with the underglow. They put on the lights as well. Bit of a show for us. That was an acceleration. That wasn't. There's quite a few V8s here tonight. Oh, turbo noises from the Golf R. Hey! Oh, a basket. Cars are flying down this way, trying to overtake each other on a single lane road, which ain't gonna happen. Cars are leaving from here and from up there. It's a bit of a scene. We're all going to the same place, obviously. Oh, it's a scramble. My name was called. Do it. He's in a hurry. Oh, the Golf missed the gear, but we'll pretend we didn't see that. There's an M1 something I and an MX-5.
boy, they be scrambling.
Yeah,
Like eggs.
scrambling like eggs. The number plate is slow R. That's demonstrated just then. Is that the unmarked car? I think it is.
Yeah, there he goes.
There he goes. He's on an adventure. Nice, nice, nice. What kind of noise was that? Did the car just scream? The police are like, what is going on?
Not having any of that.
Was that a siren I just heard that wasn't one of ours? Oh look, it's satin, orangey, pearly, peachy something. We have... There is now an S14 departing the show. How jolly. Oh look, it's a Supra. He said... What is that?
He said you can't make a as he rides a Corsa.
He thinks he has something to say. A lot of spoilers out here. All the Red Bull's being consumed. Oh yes. I think it's glove season now. Noises. Someone's doing some skids in a estate car. Oh look, a footprint. Oh, mine are bigger. What are those? I don't know where these sounds are coming from. So I think that was that for the Bristol car meet. Yeah, so go follow me on Instagram for the pictures of these meets that I go to and information about them. But I hope you enjoyed that video, and for now, thanks for watching.